Delegates are type-safe reference types that encapsulate method references with a specific signature, parameter list and return type. This allows methods to be passed as arguments, stored in variables, and used as callbacks, making delegates useful in event handling, asynchronous programming, and callback implementations. The action delegate is a predefined delegate type in the system namespace that represents a method returning void and accepting one or more parameters. It can point to traditional methods as well as to Lambda expressions. The action delegate is commonly used for callbacks, event handling, and situations where a simple method signature is needed for executing a block of code. The func delegate represents a method that can accept 0 or more input parameters and return a single value. It also supports Lambda expressions, making it a flexible tool for encapsulating computations that produce results